my energy already always up and about and giving thanks. So life as usual. Yeah man. Today I'm up and about on the road with a few co-workers, friends and energy go. Strangers as well. Come on yard man.